I was just like, so that's what the girls be talking about. Hey guys, welcome back. It's Jelisa, and in today's video we are doing a mini Sephora and Ulta haul. So when it was still quarantine, I went ahead and placed a curbside pickup order for Ulta, and I got a few things from there that I was just wanting to try. And I got some like how do you call it, like repurchases, just things that I purchased again. So as for Sephora, I recently went into Sephora to get these items. So it's just things that I had been seeing on YouTube and I want to try out. So let's get right into this video. So we're starting with Sephora first. This is my little bag from Sephora. So I have been wanting to try this soy face cleanser. And guys, I used this a couple times and I love it. It says it's a gentle cleanser for the face and eyes, and it is just that. It feels so good on the skin. It's for all skin types. It's rich in amino acids. It's a really good facial cleanser. So I was happy to get my hands on this. This thing was $15, so. And so the next thing that I went ahead and got was this set, and it is the Fresh set, and it comes with, I really want to try this right here, this rose facial toner. This is really what I got this set for. This, the mask, and the cream. And it also comes with this sugar strawberry exfoliating face wash. So I was so excited to get this. I think this was about, $65 for this set. I have not tried it yet, but I am excited to try these items out. Also, I said it comes with a face mask. It's the Rose face mask and also the Rose Deep Hydration face cream. So cannot wait to try these out. And also for my birthday was May 10th. Whoop whoop, happy Mother's Day, happy birthday. So I got the it came with the Brazilian Bom Bom cream and the Coco Cabana cream. So I have heard a lot about this top one, the Bom Bom cream. I heard it's really good. It smells really good. So I can't wait to try these out as well. And also, as I was checking out, the lady threw a couple things in. This is the Origins Original Skin Retexturizing Mask with Rose Clay. So she went ahead and threw this in with my purchase. And also she threw in the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Gel, and this is in dark brown. So this is what the brow gel looks like. So that's all I got from Sephora. On to Ulta. Okay, so the first thing I have to show from Ulta is a foundation, guys. So I've been in the market for a new foundation, and this one is actually pretty old. This is by Revolution Makeup, and it is the Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation, and this is what it looks like. It's a really pretty eye-catching packaging. The rose gold is so pretty. So I got the color F13. Now guys, this is actually a little bit, to me, it's a little bit too light for me. I mean, I can pull it off, I can work with it because I can bronze up my face really nicely and it'll look, you know, presentable. But I got the color F13, and I think I may try to get like a darker shade to go with this, but I did mix this with my OG Maybelline Fit Me foundation, matte and poreless, in the color 355 Coconut. That is my jam, y'all. I love that foundation. I'm wearing that foundation today. But yeah, so this is what this looks like. Now I noticed when I put this on, it was kind of drying to me. It was kind of drying, and it doesn't say anything about matte. It just says full coverage, but it was a little bit drying for me. So yeah, just keep that in mind when you're purchasing it. But it was really full coverage. It's kind of thick, and it was really full coverage. So go ahead and try this out. I think it was like $12. So go ahead and try this out if you would like to try a full coverage drugstore foundation. So the next thing I got was the e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer matte finish, and I tried this out today. I really like it. It's a nice color. This is in the color Deep Chestnut. The first time I got like some kind of color like olive or something, and it was way too it just wasn't for me. So this is more my speed. I used it today, and I really do like how this works. To me, it is a pretty medium coverage concealer. Let's see, and it's matte. So yeah, I think this is a really good concealer, especially for the price. I think it was like $6. So really good concealer for the price. The next thing, guys, that I got, everybody has been talking about. It is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer with hydration. So this is what it looks like, and guys, they're saying that is the really expensive one, that it looks really pretty in the big round packaging. I can't remember what it's called. They're comparing it to this, and they're saying that it works just as like this is like a dupe for it. I've never used it. I think this was about $8 at Ulta. So guys, the next two items that I got, I love these items. I know I'm saying like I love everything, but guys, these, I use these non-stop. These are the NYX Butter Glosses. Now this one is a new one to me. It's Tiramisu. I haven't tried this until now. I used it on my lips today. I love this. This is so pretty to me. It's like a pinky, but I use the chestnut, the MAC chestnut lip pencil with it, and it just is so pretty. It's so pretty. It's like that natural lip gloss. It's just so pretty. So I use this today. This is what it looks like. It's a really pretty pink color. All right. So the next one is the one that I always use. This is the first one I got from them, and I use this all the time, along with the chestnut lip pencil as well. This is in the color Madeline. I haven't opened this one yet because I still have some from my other one, but yes, this color is so pretty. It's like the perfect nude color that goes with everything. It doesn't matter what you're wearing, throw this on, and yes. Everybody always asks what I am wearing when I wear this Madeline gloss with my chestnut lip pencil. Love it, y'all. And this is gonna sound crazy because I do makeup, but okay, let me just show you the product. It is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I know y'all see this on YouTube, on Instagram, everywhere, y'all. When I tell you this is bomb, this is a bomb. I don't think I'll ever use, no, I'm not gonna say that because I do like to try different products, but this setting spray right here, this is the one thing that you must have in your makeup collection. Like, it's amazing. And y'all, so like I was saying, I never really knew what set, like, okay, I knew what it did, but I never really just paid attention to what it did when I used this. It literally made my makeup flawless, and I was just like, so that's what the girls be talking about. I looked at my makeup before I used it, and I sprayed it on, let it dry, and I looked at it afterwards. Y'all, it was like your makeup literally came together. Your makeup came together, and it was like a smooth transaction. You didn't see where none of that started, and in it just looked like everything was just like painted on your face like that. Like it's a mask. Like it's just smooth and just it's there, like it's there. All right, moving on before I start spraying my face. These are some face masks by the brand Tony Moly. This is what they look like. The first one I got was the moisturizing one, and it's called I'm Aloe Mask Sheet. These are sheet masks. And so this one is the moisturizing one with aloe vera in it. The next one is the Pore Care, and it is I'm Red Wine Sheet Mask for your pores. And the last one is the Skin Soothing Mask, and it is the I'm Tea Tree Mask Sheet Mask. So that's what that one looks like. And I think these were like less than $4 at Ulta. And also I didn't say the price of this setting mist, but I think it was about $12. Okay, so yeah, I just realized I bought 2 of these, but at different times. Like I bought one with the other bag, but I forgot I had already used it. This is the Morphe, it's called the Morphe Micro Brow Pencil. This one is in the color Mocha. So I remember I was ordering online. They didn't have the one that I wanted, so I had to end up getting this Mocha one. And I also just bought another one in the color Java. So this is actually the color that I was trying to get. A lot of people were saying how this pencil, this brow pencil was really good. So I'm gonna have to try it out again because I can't really remember how it went on. All right, so the last thing that I got from Ulta, I love this. This is also by the brand Revolution. It is the Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer and Contour. So this is the concealer. I got it in the shade C12.5, and actually I think I bought this one as well. So once again, I bought 2 of these. One in my curbside pickup that I went ahead and tried out, but it was too light for me, guys. So this one is in the color C12, and it was way too light for me. So I went back and got the color C12.5. So I'm not sure if it's gonna make a big difference. I haven't used it yet, but yeah, I got the color C12.5, and it looks kind of similar, but maybe just a little bit darker. I was using the color C13, and that was like the perfect color. It was more of a like skin tone color, but it was the perfect color if you didn't want that really bright under eye, just to conceal under your eyes. It was such a pretty color. So I wanted something a little bit more brightening, so I got C12.5, and I'm gonna try that one out. All right guys, that is the end of this haul. I hope you enjoyed seeing everything that I got. I am gonna do another video because I do want to purchase a few more things. I have a few perfumes that I would like to try out, and yeah, I'm not gonna tell you everything because that's gonna be in another video. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Go ahead and comment down below if you have these items, if you like them, just chat it up down below. So guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.